Hello dear traders, I'm Anna Kasatkina. You're watching the latest financial calendar on Insta TV. At the end of this week, the following macroeconomic events will see the light. On Thursday, the Reserve Bank of New Zealand will announce its interest rate decision. Market participants expect the bank to keep the rate unchanged. In July, the interest rate of the Reserve Bank of New Zealand remained at the record low of 1.75%. At the post-meeting press conference, RBNZ Governor Graham Wheeler said that the outlook for the economic growth remains optimistic due to the current monetary policy stance, a sustainable growth of the population and the high volume of retail sales. He added that the monetary policy will remain accommodative for an extended period of time. Furthermore, on Thursday, the United Kingdom will present the industrial production report. Experts anticipate that the industrial production expanded by 0.1% from the previous month and contracted by 0.1% in annual terms. In May, the industrial production in the United Kingdom decreased unexpectedly. The fall was triggered by a slowdown in the manufacturing sector and lower demand for energy due to warm weather. The industrial production index dropped by 0.1% from April, while analysts expected a rise of 0.3%. The manufacturing output shrank by 0.2% from the previous month. In annual terms, the UK industrial production decreased by 0.2% versus the market expectations of 0.2% rise. The latest data indicates that the GDP growth probably failed to gain momentum in the second quarter after a weak start of the year. On Friday, the United States will release the inflation report for July. Economists expect that the consumer prices grew by 0.2% for the reported period. The annual growth rate is expected to be at 1.8%. In June, the consumer price index remained unchanged after falling by 0.1% in May and the forecast of 0.1% rise. In annual terms, the US inflation slowed down to 1.6% from 1.9% in May, staying at the lowest level since October 2016. On top of these events, the following economic reports will be released. On Thursday, the United Kingdom will report on the manufacturing output and the trade balance. The United States will deliver the initial jobless claims data and the producer price index. On Friday, the Japanese financial market will be closed due to a national holiday. In Australia, RBA Governor Philip Lowe will speak. Meanwhile, in the United States, Minneapolis Fed President Neil Kashkari and Dallas Fed President Robert Kaplan will comment upon the economic conditions. And this concludes the calendar of the latest financial events on Insta TV. Thank you for watching and see you back soon.